Hi friends, how are you? I hope all are good, right? So most of them my subscriber asking sir make a video regarding the State Bank of India newly joined clerk payslip friends. So today we will see friends this is the latest payslip for newly joined the State Bank of India payslip friends. See friends, what is the basic pay actually for State Bank of India? What is the basic pay friends? Here see friends, 19,900 rupees for basic pay friends. After that friends, you see here DA friends. What is the DA relevance? 6,352 rupees they paying, okay. And house allowance friends, HRA how much? 2,091 rupees friends. And then transport allowance 600 rupees, okay. And areas of earnings friends, 594. Areas of earning means this after 11th by PS friends, some pending amount will be there, so that amount they creating friends, so that is the amount to that one, 594 rupees area friends previous month, okay. Special allowance means 3,263 rupees friends, special allowance, okay. And then special pay new 500 rupees friends. So what is a gross salary friends? This SBI clerk getting 33,300 rupees for gross salary for State Bank of India newly joined clerk salary friends. So what is the deduction? We will see friends. So contribution pension fund friend, this one 2,630 rupees. Actually, you know friends, government of India newly introduced this NPS system. NPS means new pension system friends. So from this gross salary friends, they debited from our account friend this NPS. This is also our savings only, but at the time of retirement they pay lump sum they paying friend, okay. So this is NPS friends. So how much amount they debited? 2,630 rupees they debited. So what is the Indian salary friends? 30,671 rupees. The State Bank of India newly joined clerk they will get friends. This is the in-hand salary friends. Along with some additional benefits also there for State Bank of India clerk. What is the benefits? I will explain friends. Next slide. You see friends, SBI clerk allowance friends. So apart from the salary friends, some additional benefits for the SBI clerk will be there. What is the additional? We will see friends here. You see friends, direct allowance DA. SBI clerk gets 26.18% of DA of the basic pay friends. From basic pay 19,900 the basic pay is there now. In that 26.18% from DA friends. Okay, depending upon the city posted in it will varies from some city location, it will DA somewhat more friends compared to the rural posting, okay. The DA allowance increases of quarterly basics. Every quarter the DA going to increase friends, and it depends on the inflation rate of the country. If the inflation increase, the DA goes up on vice versa. You see friends, this is the reason friends, government of RBS friends bi-monthly they monitoring the policy rates, right, CRR SLR, for controlling this inflation rate. So our DA friends completely depends on this inflation value only. So he mentioned here clearly, you see here vice versa means inflation increase means DA value going to decrease friends, okay. This is vice versa. After that friends, house allowance HRA, a SBI clerk gets 35% to 40% HRA of the basic pay depending upon the city posted in. Depends on city posting, the HRA going to varies from how much varies, 35% to 40% the HRA varies from. So most probably 35% for rural branches and 40% for city branches friends. That's the thing. Other elements include transport elements will be there friends, and special elements will be there, and special pay new also there. This is a special element well, along with some additional benefits also there friends. Medical benefits also there. What is the medical benefits we will see in next slide friends. So State Bank of India additional benefits friends. What is the additional benefits? House rent elements, concessional vehicle finance. Whenever you are taking loan friends, some two-wheeler loan, car loan we are taking, right. So you are the State Bank of India, right. So that is the reason they given concessional to interest rate friends for you, okay. Another one thing friends, concessional rate for SBI pension plans. So some pension plans also their friends, some mutual funds, some their rights, some State Bank of India. So in that they given some concessional rate friends. This is a benefit from compared to the individuals. As an employee you get more benefits in State Bank of India friends, okay. Another one thing friends, housing finance at concessional friends. If you want means housing loan, they given concessional rate friends, okay. Housing finance concessional rate also, and travel elements also there. If you have any work you are going for outside, right friends, so you going to apply these travel elements also, you going to apply that elements also bear by bank itself only, okay. The bank pay 100% cost for any medical treatment of an employee along with the family members. This is a very good thing, friends. Actually, personally, friends, due to the corona cases happened, right? This is a pandemic time, so this it will very useful for especially for a bank employees, friends. So in that bank employee, friends, 100% State Bank of any bank, friends, not only State Bank of India, even IDBI Bank or State Bank of India, any bank, friends, they paying 100% for this medical treatment, friends. Especially my case also, bank paying 100%, friends. I personally, I got positive this is corona. After that, my bank only paid 100% for my treatment charges, friends. This is very good opportunity working as a bank employee. Okay. Another one thing, friends, maternity or child education leave for 2 years of 2 years for women clerks, friends. Those are working as women clerks, women employees, right? So if they are maternity or child education, they eligible for 2 years of leave, friends. That paid leave. This is also paid leaves, friends. This is a session, friends. This is a SBI pay slip. Okay, and what is the allowances, okay, what is the additional benefits. This is the session, friends. If you like the session, means you like it, and share the session, friends. If you are new for my channel, friends, for upcoming updates, you subscribe my channel, friends. And thank you, and Jai Hind, friends.